Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine, right children? Before starting my class, I would like to ask one question. How many of you saw yesterday's video? Somebody may not see yesterday's video, right children? And somebody may forget what I said yesterday. So, for that reason, I just want to recall yesterday's class for 2 minutes. So, what we learned children yesterday? What is science? What is science? Children tell me, what is science? It is a way of learning, natural observation and logical reasoning. So, what is science children? It is way of learning, natural observation and logical reason. So natural observation means what you have to think. So outside what you are observing in the nature. So by that we have to think logically. So how we are getting this all? How in the nature? How it is possible? So we have to question ourselves. So after that, after questioning ourselves, we'll get one idea. Right children? So with that idea, what we have to start? We have to start inventing. So we will start our invention. So by starting our invention, first what you will do? You will find out something and you will question yourself. You will question yourself and we will get an idea. With that idea, we will bring what are the equipments we want to do that. For example, if you want to invent a new gadget or if you want to invent a new car or something, so we will get that all equipments. So after bringing that equipments, what you will do children? You will start doing experiments. So day by day you will start experiment. You will go on with your experiments. So what will happen children? So day by day the procedure will be completed, right? So after that we will get one result. So with that result what you will do? You will go on testing. So then we will come to know whether it is succeed or whether it is fail. So for example, I will give an example. Yesterday what I gave, the same example for coronavirus. What they have to do? First they started with the phase 1. In the phase 1 what they did? So they gave injections to the animals. So after that they started giving injection to the people. So for the human beings they started with the few people they started. In the third phase they will start with some more people. So after that what will happen? We will get one result. So with that result we will get whether it is succeed or not. After that it will come to the market. If it is succeed, then it will come to the market. If it is fail, then it will not. So in the same way, we have to start our invention. Children, don't think once if you have failed, the failure will not be with you. I will give an example. Do you know Thomas Alva Edison? Yeah, everyone know, right? So how many times he failed? Can anyone? So more than 100 times he failed to invent bulb. But he didn't sat. So I have failed. So many times I have failed. I will not do this. If I am doing this, I will get failure. He didn't think like that. So he again started his invention. Afterwards he succeeded. So children, don't think I will fail again and again. So many members will laugh at me. Don't think like that. Failure will not be with you. Every time failure will not be with you. So we are having one slogan also. So failures are the stepping stones for the success. Yeah. How many times you will fail? That many times you may think that okay, that many times I will get more success in my life. Think like that and go on proceed. So positive thinking is very important in our life. So if you are going on thinking negatively, then your mind will be in the negative shade itself. We can't think it again positively. So you have to think positively. If you are going on think positively, then everywhere you will get success. It is true, children. So in the observations, so in our life, we are having. So I am from childhood onwards till here. We will have some observation, right? So with that observations, we can tell failures are the stepping stones for the success. If you see how many members who are in big stage, so like Amitabh Bachchan, so what like TV actors or scientists, they also failed so many times. If you read their stories, then we will come to know so how many times they failed, how many times they got scoldings, or they got something, they got beatings, or whatever it may be. So, but they didn't leave. They started doing again and again. Then they succeeded. So children, start something newly, start your life newly, and then think positively, then you will succeed. Coming to today's class. In today's class, I am going to tell the branches of science. Branches of science. What are the branches of science, children? In the natural science, we are having physical science, earth and space, life science. What are those, children? Physical science, earth and space, life science. In this physical science, we are having physics, chemistry. In this physics and chemistry. In the earth and space, we are having geology, astronomy, and meteorology and oceanography. In the life science, we are having botany, zoology, and ecology. So in this, we are having these branches of science. So everyone know the physical science, everyone know the physics and the chemistry and biology. In the physics, we will learn about the non-living matter. And in the chemistry, we will learn about the compounds, reactions that we will come to learn in the chemistry. So coming to the earth and space, about the earth. So what is there behind the earth? So many 4 layers are there. So that all the study of the earth and the space. Space everyone know. So the astronauts, what they will do, what they will observe. So the learning of the space is about the learning of the space and the earth. So in the same way, in the branches of science, we are having so many branches to do. The study of the heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means everyone know, right, children? So from the childhood onwards, we are learning about the solar system, right? How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. Everyone remember, children? What is the difference between a star, heavenly bodies? Yeah, I think everyone remember, because we are learning it from our childhood. Childhood in the sense, from second or third level onwards, we are going on learning what is the solar system, what are the heavenly bodies, right? So we are having so many branches of science. The branches of science in the sense, the study of, for example, the study of skin is called as a dermatology. The study of blood vessel system is called as a angiology. So study of heavenly bodies, the study of heavenly bodies is called as a astronomy. The study of heart and its disease is a cardiology. So the study of cells the study of cells is called as cytology. So in the same way, the study of all so many, so maximum more than 50 are there that what we will study. So the branches of science will not end up to here. So they are having so many. If you are going on reading, it is like a ocean, children. Science is like an ocean. Whatever you will study, that will not end up to them. Till it will be there to read. So, coming to the astronomy. Astronomy means study of the heavenly bodies. Geology means study of the earth. Oceanography. Oceanography means everyone know in the name itself it is there. This is the study of physical and biological aspects of the ocean. What is that? Oceanography means the study of biological and physical aspects of the ocean. So we will know that geology means it is the study of the oceanography means it is the study of ocean, and the geology it is the study of earth. So astronomy it is it is at the space. What do you read about the heavenly bodies, about the space? That is the astronomy. Coming to the life science. Life science in the name itself it is there. The life, the lifestyle. Okay. Botany. Botany means the study of plants. The study of plants. We will learn about the study of plants. That is the botany. So the study of behavioral and structural and physiologically of animals, psychological thinking and behavioral thinking of animals is called as zoology. Study of the animals, and simply we will tell that study of animals, that is zoology. And coming to the ecology. Ecology means relations and interactions between organisms and their environment. So ecology means the study of interactions between organisms and the environment. So these are the branches of science, children. So the physical science we learn about physics and chemistry. So up to 10th class we learn about what is the physics, what is science, chemistry, biology. We'll be having the subjects, right? Physics, chemistry, biology. In the physics we learn about non-living matters, and in the chemistry we learn about compounds, compositions, and in the earth and space we learn about the earth. So how deep it is, so how many layers are there, so what will happen under the earth. So in the space, so what will happen in the space, what the astronauts will do, and they'll go near moon, sun, they'll go near moon, what will happen, who is the first person who went near the moon. So like that, the study of the space is called as the study of the space, heavenly bodies is called as astronomy. And the life sciences about the plants, animals, human beings. So these are all comes under the life of the science. These are the branches of science, children. So yesterday we learned about what is science, and today we learn about branches of science. Children, remember this topic. It is very, very important. It will be useful in your future. Thank you for watching. Today I am giving homework as, so we have to write one new invention. Try to invent new, think logically and try one invention and start the procedure how to invent. So write the procedure. That is today's homework. Thank you for watching.